This 8-minute dish is sweet, nutritious, and very simple to prepare for your family. Today, we will be making seafood tofu soup with loofah god. The ingredients are 250 grams of seafood tofu. I have a packet of 500 grams here, but I will be using only half of it. 450 grams of loofah god. 1 piece of loofah weighs almost half a kilo. It is really fresh this time. 1 cup of shredded carrot, 500 ml of prawn broth, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic in oil, and 1/4 cup of cilantro leaves for garnishing. Let's cook. First, we want to take half of the seafood tofu from a packet. Here is the seafood tofu that we are going to cook today. Next, cut the loofah god. Use a peeler to remove the skin. If some of the dark skin is still on the loofah god, it is okay as it is edible. After removing the skin, we will clean up and wash the loofah god. Next, cutting the loofah god. Cut it into half and cut the cylinder about 1.5 inches. Now cut it into quarters. Lengthwise, we are cutting loofah god into rectangular shape. And the loofah god is ready. Pour all the prawn broth into the pot. Switch on the heat to medium-high. Add in all the seasoning: salt, oyster sauce, and pepper. Give it a mix until the seasoning dissolves. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. This will take less than 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the soup is boiling. Open the cover. Add in all the seafood tofu carefully. Cover the lid and let it simmer for 1 minute. After 1 minute, the soup is boiling vigorously. Open the lid. Add in the loofah god and give it a couple of stirs. Cover the lid and let it continue to cook for another 2 more minutes so that the loofah god will be nice and crunchy. If you prefer the loofah god to be softer, cook it for 4 minutes. After about 1.5 minutes, open the lid. At this time, the loofah is about 80% cooked. We will allow the residual heat from the soup to continue to cook the loofah so that by the time we eat, it won't be too soft. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, very sweet and tasty. Oh, time's up. The soup is now cooked. Next, add in garlic in oil, shredded carrot, and cilantro. That's all. The super simple and delicious seafood soup with loofah god is ready to be served. Let's eat. Wow, it is very delicious. The soup is very rich with prawns flavor and natural sweetness from loofah and carrot. The seafood tofu is soft and tasty. Loofah god is crunchy and fragrant. Overall, the soup is perfect. If you like this video, subscribe for more home cooked recipe like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!